Welcome back to Shit I Made Without a Recipe. Today we're going to make some tuna spaghetti. It's really cheap and really easy to make, pretty quick. The sauce is done by the time your pasta is cooked. We've got 2 little onion here that we're going to dice up. Usually I just use one larger sized onion, but all that they've had at the moment is some of these small ones, so use 2. Dice it as thick or as thin as you like, and pop it in a pan. Sweat that down. We're going to salt our boiling water. Add a good amount of salt. It's always good to add a good amount of salt. And chuck your pasta in. I use spirals. Alright, we've got some tuna in oil. Make sure it is in oil. It's what gives it the best flavour. Give it a mix. And the Heinz Big Red Tomato Soup, I really recommend that. That also gives it the best flavour. Give it a mix and let it start simmering. We're going to add some nutmeg. And some pepper. Chuck a little bit of salt in there as well, if it's to your taste. Next we're going to put in some fresh green basil. Make sure it's a fresh stop. Chop it up about this much, good, a handful. Chuck that in and give it a stir. Pop a lid on and we'll just simmer that until our pasta is cooked. Drain off your pasta, give it a good shake. Leave a little bit of pasta water in there. And pop the simmered sauce on top of your pasta. What we're going to do is we're going to put the lid on and leave it for about 5 minutes on a cold hot plate, one that we haven't used. It just gives the pasta time to absorb some of that sauce and the sauce to thicken with that excess pasta water. 5 minutes are up, it's time to plate up. Best part, give it a good stir, get all those goodies off the bottom there. I like to serve mine with some freshly grated Parmesan cheese. As much or as little as you like. Tidy up there. A little bit of a mess. And pop a little bit of fresh basil on top. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you try it and enjoy.